Welcome to Learn English Smartly.
I go to the kitchen.
I go to the kitchen.
I wash my hands.
I wash my hands.
I open the fridge.
I open the fridge.
I take out the vegetables.
I take out the vegetables.
I wash the vegetables.
I wash the vegetables.
I cut the onion.
I cut the onion.
I peel the potato.
I peel the potato.
I chop the tomato.
I chop the tomato.
I add some oil.
I add some oil.
I heat the pan.
I heat the pan.
I fry the onion.
I fry the onion.
I stir the food.
I stir the food.
I add some salt.
I add some salt.
I smell the food.
I smell the food.
I taste the food.
I taste the food.
I turn off the stove.
I turn off the stove.
I pour the soup.
I pour the soup.
I set the table.
I set the table.
I serve the food.
I serve the food.
I sit down to eat.
I sit down to eat.
The food is ready.
The food is ready.
I clean the counter.
I clean the counter.
I boil some water.
I boil some water.
I fill the pot.
I fill the pot.
I put the pot on the stove.
I put the pot on the stove.
I wait for the water to boil.
I wait for the water to boil.
I add the pasta.
I add the pasta.
I stir the pasta.
I stir the pasta.
I drain the pasta.
I drain the pasta.
I grate the cheese.
I grate the cheese.
I slice the bread.
I slice the bread.
I toast the bread.
I toast the bread.
I spread the butter.
I spread the butter.
I crack the egg.
I crack the egg.
I beat the egg.
I beat the egg.
I fry the egg.
I fry the egg.
I flip the egg.
I flip the egg.
I put the egg on the plate.
I put the egg on the plate.
I rinse the rice.
I rinse the rice.
I cook the rice.
I cook the rice.
I cover the pot.
I cover the pot.
I uncover the pot.
I uncover the pot.
I mix the ingredients.
I mix the ingredients.
I add some pepper.
I add some pepper.
I add some spices.
I add some spices.
I squeeze the lemon.
I squeeze the lemon.
I chop the garlic.
I chop the garlic.
I peel the garlic.
I peel the garlic.
I slice the carrot.
I slice the carrot.
I boil the vegetables.
I boil the vegetables.
I steam the broccoli.
I steam the broccoli.
I mash the potato.
I mash the potato.
I bake the cake.
I bake the cake.
I mix the flour.
I mix the flour.
I add some sugar.
I add some sugar.
I pour the batter.
I pour the batter.
I put it in the oven.
I put it in the oven.
I wait for it to bake.
I wait for it to bake.
I take it out of the oven.
I take it out of the oven.
I let it cool down.
I let it cool down.
I
Wash the dishes. I wash the dishes.
I dry the dishes.
I dry the dishes.
I put away
The dishes. I put away the dishes.
I wipe the table.
I wipe the table.
I throw away the garbage.
I throw away the garbage.
I close the fridge.
I close the fridge.
I turn off the light.
I turn off the light.
I leave the kitchen.
I leave the kitchen.
Thanks for watching.
Like, share, and subscribe to our channel.
Tell us, are you guys improving your English?
Are our videos helpful for your English learning journey?
Tell me secretly in the comment section.